Introducing a brand new degree in Health and Social Care delivered online by the Open College in partnership with Oxford Brookes University. Developed in accordance with CORU Standards of Proficiency for Social Care Workers, this 3-year honours degree combines the flexibility of an online degree with critical practice placement learning. Learn through an engaging combination of live online classes, activities, discussions and more while completing a variety of carefully selected placements. This will allow you to gain the necessary practical skills as well as the theoretical knowledge to succeed in a range of varied settings. Employment opportunities include residential care, disability, addiction and mental health services, as well as community projects and other social care management positions. On completion of the degree, learners will be able to apply for registration to CORU's Social Care Workers Registration Board. This honours degree is fully accredited by Oxford Brookes University, a world top 500 university. Places are limited for a September 2020 start. Find out more and register your interest today.